Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Hollow concrete blocks are those blocks which having a core void area greater than 25% of their total area. These hollow blocks permit the adoption of a thin wall which ultimately result in an increase in the floor space. The air space in the block is a 25% of the total area of the block. It means there is a saving of the material, and the weight of a block is less. It result in a rapid execution of a work. The hollow space in the blocks enable the masonry to have a good insulating properties against a sound, heat and dampness. The blocks are precast, the surface is smooth and hence less plastic material is required. The common size of the hollow bricks are 39 cm by 19 cm by 30 cm, 39 cm by 19 cm by 20 cm and 39 cm by 19 cm by 10 cm. Blocks having a water absorption less than 10%. Concrete hollow blocks are a new inventive technique in the building construction work and its infrastructures. These blocks are a better substitute to work faster and faster to build a structure with a long lasting value. This will give a different look and reduce your energy bills and make a eco-friendly atmosphere in the building. Concrete hollow blocks require a low maintenance and provide a insulation from a sound, heat and also a fire resistance. This block required a less cement mortar for a joint and required a little or even no plastering, and hence it speed up the construction process. High dimensional accuracy and the constituent finish make it an ideal building material for both load bearing structures and the frame structures. These hollow concrete blocks have a good stress bearing capacity, so are widely used in the building construction practice. The compressive strength of the block varies according to the ratio of the constituent material, that is a cement, sand and aggregate. The block which having a maximum compressive strength, their constituent material are available in the ratio of the 1:3:6. Hollow concrete blocks having a various advantages like blocks are highly durable, fire resistance, provide a sound insulation, thermal insulation and dampness. Blocks are economical, environmental friendly, greater saving in the material. Rapid construction due to its regular size required no dressing work. Number of joints in the masonry are less due to its large size of the block. There is a maximum saving in the mortar, and the load transfer to the foundation is a much less due to its light weight. These blocks can be used in the load bearing structures such as the low rise residential and the offices building, bungalow, shelter unit for a rural housing, institutional buildings, godown and warehouses. It can also be used in the frame structures such as the high rise residential apartment, office buildings, market complexes, hospitals and the hotels. Blocks can be used as a ground laying unit like an interlocking paver block for a roadside walkway, garden pathway, curb stones, fuel pump station and high traffic movement area like a bus and the train stations. The manufacturing process of the concrete hollow block consists of the various steps like mixing, molding, placing and then curing. In a mixing process, the ratio of a cement and the aggregate should not be a less than 1:6. Mixing consists of a fine aggregate as a 60%, coarse aggregate as a 40% and one bag of a cement. These constituents are mixed thoroughly with the help of the fowler to obtain a homogeneous mass. Water is then added and the mix is again mixed by making the mix up down by several times with the help of the fowler till homogeneous mass is obtained. Molding can be done either by a hand casting or by a machine casting. Molding by a machine casting is preferable to the hand casting because it gives a better finish. After taking the block out of a mold, it is placed very gently without disturbing its dimension. These blocks are kept under a shade for at least 24 hours. For the curing of a block are immersed in the water tank for at least 1 week. Sprinkling of a water by a pipe is most common method of a curing and preferably used at a construction site. After completing the process of the curing, the blocks may be stacked with cell. The compressive strength of the block should not be less than 30 Newton per mm square after 28 days of a curing.